Both Hide-a-Hose and Chameleon offer hoses with a sock and hoses without a sock, and I have examples of each. On the left are Chameleon hoses, socked and non-socked. On the right are Hide-a-Hose, socked and non-socked. These hoses are all 40 feet in length, and there's some pros and cons to both. So the hoses, first of all, are not really interchangeable brand for brand. You can see that the ends are different. In my home, I like to use hoses with a sock for inside the house. I find that the sock glides really nicely across the hard floors and around the corners, which is important if you don't have stainless steel corner guards like I have here. The socked hose also is really quiet to pull out and retract, which I like for my 3 a.m. vacuuming sessions. In my garage, I use a non-socked hose. In commercial applications, we nearly always use a non-socked hose because debris that might stick to the sock or rip it isn't going to do that without the sock present. But we've also found the non-socked hose, being a little bit larger diameter, 1 3/8 inch versus 1 1/4, provides more airflow to the cleaning tool. So especially with extra long hoses, 50 feet plus, the non-socked hose gives you better cleaning power. The other thing we've run into is sometimes these retractable hose systems, we can install nice long straight runs of piping with very few elbows. That's ideal. But other times, you know, your piping has to go in wherever it can go in. And we might have to put in a few extra elbows, 4, 5, 6 90-degree elbows. And we found that the socked hoses are slower to retract and the non-socked hoses can fly in even with a few extra elbows. So on the same system, the non-socked hose is going to be a little bit more tolerant of that situation. So that's why both options are there. If you're having your system installed, talk to your installer and see what they recommend. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, happy vacuuming.